Hey, I am in the garden and I wanted to give you a quick update as to what is happening out here before you come back onto campus. So let's explore the garden. All right, here we are in the garden. These are peas. They are growing so well. You can see there are peas on the vine here, lots and lots of flowers, which will turn into peas. So that is really exciting, especially with all of this beautiful sunshine we're getting. We've got tons of lettuce growing here, lots more peas. We have some strawberries planted. Look at that. They're starting to turn red. And then behind the strawberries, we have lots of lettuce seeds that are just barely sprouting. Super exciting. Lots of fava. And we can make fava pesto, fava leaf pesto with all this fava leaf. It would be a lot of pesto, but we'll see what we can do. We also have a lot of kale growing, so we'll be able to harvest that. And then behind this batch of kale, we're going to be starting some more kale. You can see there's a lot of space back there. More fava. This bed is full of lettuce seeds. All this beautiful lettuce is going to go in your lunches when it's ready. All right. We have violets. Violet flowers are edible. Calendula flower petals are edible. Back here we have lots of little flowers just starting to pop up. Those will trail along the fence. And then this is all lettuce. Big row of lettuce in between. Kind of the same thing happening in this bed here, except we've got some beautiful fennel that's almost ready to be harvested. Again, lots of lettuce popping up, violets. Hopefully we'll be able to get some beautiful flowers into your lunches. All right, so this is the back of the garden. Let's move up to the front of the garden here. All right, we've got more peas. These are a different pea. These are snow peas. The other ones are snap peas. You can see lots of flowers. Peas are popping up. They are delicious, really juicy. This bed, we've got some dill coming up. This bed still needs to be amended. We need to put in some more soil in that bed. All right, lots of spinach and arugula, and then that is all carrots up there, so that will start to come up very slowly. There's a little carrot right there. Okay, garlic. This is a Brussels sprout plant. Okay, beets, lots of beets. These will be in your lunches also. And then in front of the beets there, these are carrots as well that were sown by seed about a week ago. So they should start coming up pretty soon too. All right, I'm gonna walk into the greenhouse and show you what is growing in the greenhouse. Okay, here we are in the greenhouse. We've got red cabbage growing. We've got some sunflowers that are sprouting. And when we get back from spring break, we're gonna sow a bunch of sunflowers just directly into the soil as well. We've got some basil. Behind that, we've got more kale, more basil, parsley back there, which hasn't started sprouting yet. Lots more kale, lots more basil.
Hi everybody. All right, so each of you has received a piece of paper somewhat similar to this. It might be a different color than this, but if you did not receive a piece of paper with packet pickup today, the last day of school before spring break, you can use whatever kind of piece of paper you can find at home. Mine just happens to be green, but if you have a piece of white paper or yellow paper or red paper, whatever color you'd like to use is fine. Just make sure that it is about this size. And what you're going to do is you are going to write a word that your class has come up with from when we did our nature word journaling. And you are going to write the word that you've chosen. And then next to the word that you've chosen, you're going to draw a picture that describes that word. So I have chosen the word beautiful, and I think that flowers are beautiful. So I am going to, I drew a flower to describe the word that I've chosen, okay? And that is what you're going to do. Okay, once you've chosen your word and you've drawn your picture next to the word that you've chosen to describe the word you've chosen, you are going to hand these back to your teacher. Your teacher's going to give them to me, and I am going to laminate them and put them all over the garden and around campus so that you can remember all the beauty of nature around you.